Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Sam, where I share tutorials on everything web design and web design related activities. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to go from our original square logos, which I have shown in another video how to create, and I'm going to post that link in the description. How we go from our square logos to a nice circular logo with a transparent background that can be used on your website and other places. So for this tutorial, we're going to need to have our logo created. You don't need two, we can just start off with one, but the same process applies for any square logo. And we're going to need our Windows Paint 3D, which came with Windows 10, and by now everyone should be at least on Windows 10, and it's a very powerful application, so we're going to need that as well. And without further ado, let's get started with this tutorial. So in order to create our circular logo, we will need to have two Paint 3D applications open side by side. This is a Windows 10 application. And on each side, we will need to start a new project. So I'm going to click Start a New Project here, Start a New Project here. And I'm going to go ahead and maximize the left-hand side over here and click on Canvas on top, and click on transparent canvas. Now I'm going to bring in to window my logos that I created in another video that I will post a link for in the description. And I'm going to drag my logo into frame and simply drop it. Okay, perfect. And I'm going to bring this away. I can click outside of the selection. And this is our logo, but we see it's square. We want to make a circle. So let's go on top to 2D shapes. And on the right hand side, I can select circle. And once selected, you simply have to click and start dragging, and we can see that a circle appears. However, if I keep my finger on the shift button at the same time as I am clicking and dragging, we can see that our circle remains a perfect circle. So let's drag it to about here. And once we let go, we have some settings on the right hand side, such as the color. So we can choose red, but let's keep it black. And we can change the thickness. So let's reduce the thickness a little bit here. Perfect. And once we're satisfied with that, we can click on commit to apply the circle. Perfect. Now we need to go to this magic select button up over here, and I'm going to click that. And the idea here is to drag the selection window close to, but without touching the actual circle on all sides. So let's do that. Let's bring that there, this a little bit up, and perfect. Once we're satisfied, we're going to click on next. And it's not obvious, but basically what has happened is it's selected everything within that circle, which is not faded, and everything that's faded around it is going to get cut. So once we're satisfied, we're going to click on done. And now you can see I can drag my circle logo around, and we have right now created our circular logo. So this is the part where I'm going to restore down this window here. And in our second window, I'm going to have to go to the settings. We're going to click on the three dots here, view more options, go to canvas options. Similarly as before, transparent canvas. Perfect. Let's just move that there and move that there. Okay. And I'm going to simply copy this. I can do Control C, or I can right click copy, and I'm going to paste it in my new window here. Right click paste. And now we see we have our circular logo with a transparent background. And this is looking pretty good. So if we're satisfied with how this turned out, we can click outside. Now I'm going to go to Menu, Save As, Image. And here I'm going to call it Circular Logo. And I'm going to click on Save. And now if I bring in my folder that contains my previous logos as well as the new one, we can see that we now have our circular logo complete with transparent background. And if we compare it to our original logo, which was a square, we can clearly see that we have succeeded in creating our circular logo. And this can be used as an icon for your website. It can be placed as an image for your perhaps contact information. It can be used as, you can do the same method to create a profile picture perhaps, and it's a very powerful and free way of using our Windows 3D Paint, and I hope you enjoyed this process. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel, as well as leave any comments, questions for this video, or perhaps ideas for any future videos. Until next time.